JD Classics are also running some other cars for customers, and these include HBC 226, a Jaguar XK 120 which has period race history from new, was raced by Roy Salvadori in the early 1950s, and in 1951 he achieved real success with the car, winning at Goodwood and achieving second places at Silverstone, Boreham and Castle Combe. The car was sympathetically restored to a full race specification 2 years ago, and more recently was the highest place XK 120, finishing in 12th overall at the Le Mans Classic in 2012. The car last year was driven by models Yasmin Lebon and David Gandy on the Mille Miglia, and this year will be campaigned by JD Classics customer and car owner Alex Lewis, who will be co-driven by Daniel Weiner. With a car with such illustrious race heritage, it is great that it is still actively and successfully campaigned today by such an enthusiastic owner. The car is in full race specification, albeit with a road clutch for ease of use on this grueling 1,000-mile event, where heavy traffic on some of the road sections is unavoidable. The 2014 edition of the Mille Miglia will be Alex's first participation on this illustrious event, and JD Classics are delighted to have had the opportunity to prepare this significant competition Jaguar for what will surely be a memorable event for the lucky owner of the car.